Snow, rain, heat waves. Your car faces it all. But how does it adapt? Let's break down how cars are engineered to handle different weather conditions in just 2 minutes. Cold weather. In the cold, engines thicken with oil and batteries lose power. That's why winter-ready cars use block heaters, synthetic oils, and winter tires designed for icy grip. Hot weather. Extreme heat means overheating risk. Cars combat this with larger radiators, heat shields, and high-temperature coolants. Even tires are heat-resistant and monitored for pressure changes. Rainy conditions. In the rain, it's all about traction and water protection. ABS, stability control, and sealed electronics keep you in control and keep water out. Smart tech adaptation. Modern cars go further, with drive modes that adapt throttle, suspension, and traction automatically, in real time. Quick recap. From heaters to high-tech sensors, your car is weather-aware and built to handle the road, whatever the forecast. Still think weather's unpredictable? Not to your car.